Hey, it's Tom from Inspiration Metalworks. And in this week's video, we're just going to do a short on what it takes to do the finish work on this. You guys have seen me do the lathe work on it. There's also been a video that shows the welding, but actually, believe it or not, the hardest part of doing this is poking that hole through there. That is a 7/8 inch hole. And so what we're going to do in this short is we are going to, let's see, we're going to go from, well, how do we get to here, right? So an intermediate step is to get here. Well, really it's without that. But then we poke that hole through. From here it goes in a tumbler to take all the burrs and sharp edges off of it. And then we do some finish on it, a cold, black oxide finish on it. And it ends up like this, all nice. Everything is nice and smoothed out and makes a big difference. But let's take a look. It's real short. This video is only a couple minutes long. I'm probably going to talk just as long. So let's go ahead and we'll take a look.